We started off as friends, but soon after, I started to see that you were the one that was and always be there for me. We fight and argue often, but I still love you the same, so much that even at one point I called someone else your name. People say I'm crazy for staying with you, but in all honesty, I know that the love we have is nothing but true. With you, I continue to change for better and for worse, just by simply realizing I had to let my guard down first. You've taught me how to love and trust and be me. The day we grow apart, I pray to God I never see. Love is a battlefield, and I know this is true, so I am a soldier, and I will fight and continue to fight for no one but you. Even though you and I have shed so many tears, I do not regret anything, and I know there will definitely be more throughout the years. With us, the good has always outweighed the bad, and your shoulder is the one I continue to cry on whenever I'm sad. You have given me what people wait a lifetime for, your heart, true love, wisdom, and so much more. People say some love is rare and some love is kind. Well, I know for a fact that our love cannot be defined. You love hard and so do I, so hopefully we will never say goodbye. Crazy drama we endure, but no matter what you continue to stay. That's why I know you're the one for me, and I mean it when I say, I love you baby. And last but not least, happy Valentine's Day.